Here's something that probably drives you crazy and you don't even realize it. Every time you open a new chat with an AI, it has total amnesia. It forgot who you are, what you're working on, your style, your files, all of it. So you waste the first 5 minutes every single time re-explaining your life before you can even ask your question. There's a feature that completely kills that problem. It's called Claude Projects, and once you start using it, you genuinely cannot go back. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how it works with prompts you can copy. So let's go. So what is a project really? Think of it as a dedicated workspace built around one thing you care about, whether it's a client, a course, your business, a book you're writing. And it has two superpowers. One, a knowledge base. You upload your files once and every chat inside that project can see them. Two, custom instructions. You tell Claude how to behave once and it follows that rule in every conversation in there. So instead of starting from zero every time, you start from everything. Let me show you. So I'm in Claude, and over on the left, I click on Projects, then New Project. I'll name it after my actual use case, let's say marketing. Now, here's the important part. On the right side, there's the project knowledge base. This is the brain. I'm going to drop in the stuff Claude should always know. My brand guidelines, a couple of past campaigns at work, my product one-pager, my ideal customer profile. Upload and done. That information now lives in this project permanently. Then I'll click Set Project Instructions. This is where I tell it the rules for everything in there. Something like, you're my senior marketing strategist, always match our brand voice from the guidelines, be concrete, and never use corporate buzzwords. Save. Now watch how different the experience is. I start a chat inside the project and type, using our brand guidelines and past campaigns, write 3 social posts announcing our summer sale. And look, it's not asking me what my brand sounds like. It's not asking for examples because it already has them. It pulls straight from the files I uploaded and writes in our actual voice. I didn't paste a single thing into this message. The project did the heavy lifting. Now here's the part that makes it click. Let me ask it something that forces it to actually read the documents. Based on our ideal customer profile, which of these 3 posts will perform best and why? It reasons over the exact document I uploaded, referencing my real audience, not some generic guess. That's the difference between a chatbot and a workspace that actually knows your business. But the real magic, persistence. Watch this. I'm gonna close that chat and start a brand new one, right here in the same project. Draft a follow-up email for everyone who clicks the summer sale post. Fresh conversation, and it still knows the brand, still knows the campaign, still knows the customer, because all of that lives in the project, not in any single chat. Every conversation you start in here begins already caught up. That's the whole game. And one pro move most people miss is when Claude creates something great, a tagline, a framework, a draft you love, you can add that output back into the project knowledge so future chats can build it instead of reinventing it. Your project literally gets smarter the more you use it. So with that being said, please click the like and subscribe button and see you next time.